What's up, guys? It seems like it's been a few weeks since I put out a video. I'm still here. I'll still be doing YouTube, but I needed some time to take a break from everything between full-time job, a family, and then running this business. YouTube was not a priority, but still be making videos. I'll get back into a little bit more within the coming weeks. But for today, we have a 2008 Ford F350 6.4 diesel, and today we'll be doing an oil change on it. So I'm going to start by starting the truck, letting it run for a little bit, and we'll jump right into it. Let it run for maybe 2 minutes. And what we need, so we're going to start right here. This is, from my understanding, the fuel filter, one of them, and this is the oil filter. So I'm gonna get some sockets out and I'll let you guys know what size it is so we could take this thing out. To unscrew the filter housing, oil filter housing, you'll need a 36mm socket, and this is what it looks like. You just pull it straight up. There's the dirty filter. I'll take care of that once I drain the oil. I am under the driver door, and going underneath you'll see 2 tanks. This one right here, which is the transmission fluid, you do not want to take that one out. You want the one up here, right by the axle, and that's where your oil is. And it should be a 19mm socket to take out the drain plug. So I'm gonna get underneath the truck, and not to make a mess, we're gonna fast forward this part. Just so you guys get a idea. So this is where the drain plug comes out of, and oil. So keep in mind that there's 15 quarts, possibly a little bit more in here, so you need a big container to get all this oil. And here's what we're working with. I took the filter out, and it basically goes on like this with these little clips. You'll kind of have to tug on it. I bought a Ford Motorcraft oil filter, and this is the best price I found. I believe it was like $12–13 on Amazon. Walmart is $20 for a Fram filter. So these filters, to my surprise, are fairly spendy, and this is the cheapest one I found, and it's a Motorcraft filter, so it's perfect for the Ford. The oil I'm using is Rotella 15W40, and again, about 15 quarts is gonna go in there. You'll need to replace this O-ring that goes right here. This is what it looks like. That's the old one. This is what I use. You could use a flathead screwdriver or like a small knife to kind of pry it apart and then just get it around the thread. The new filter's in. So now we're gonna jump back up and should just slide under like that. Apply some pressure because it is a spring until the thread catches on. There you go. Put this guy on there. Tighten it, but not too much. You could do it by hand. To save time, I didn't take a video of how I poured the oil in, but this is your oil cap. Put 15 quarts in there. I'm gonna start the truck right now, let it run for maybe a minute or two. Let it sit for 15–20 minutes, and then check the oil level and see where we're at.